So another thing you're going to get familiar with is the measurement system, okay? We have two basic systems. We have the United States Standard System and we have a metric system. And in measuring distances, we have, in the English system, we have, or metric, American system, I mean, we have inches, we have feet, and we have yards. And most of you are familiar with that. In the metric system, we have the standard measurement is a meter, and there are decameters, which is a tenth of a meter, centimeter, which is a hundredth of a meter, and millimeters, which is a thousandth of a meter. In the metric system, everything is based on powers of tens. In the United States system, we don't have that luxury. We have 12 inches, we have 3 feet, and we have 3 yards. However, when we get other measurements, we have 16 ounces, we have 12 ounces, 2 types of ounces. We have a lot of other measurements that are inconsistent in the United States system. In the metric system, no matter whether you're talking about distance or volume, or you're talking about some other measurement in the metric system, it's always predicated on powers of 10. Makes it a lot easier to do. We're not there yet, but the United States is slowly working its way toward it. We are the only major country in the world that does not use the metric system. So eventually we will get there, but we still have to learn how to work with this one, and we have to learn how to work with this one. Interchanging within a system is easy. Between the systems, it's almost the memorization of what equals what, and ratio proportion is a great tool to use for this. Well, where would you be using this? Well, any of you that are going to go into the medical professions, or even in the sciences and chemistry and so forth, you will find you're going to have to learn a lot about the metric system. Almost everything in those systems is now done in a metric base. So you'll have to learn how to use these and how to convert from one to the other. One of the examples, how many of you buy a bottle of Coke? You buy a 2-liter bottle of Coke these days. So it's something that you're going to have to get more familiar with, especially in those fields. And in the sciences, if you take any of the sciences, chemistry, physics, or biology, you're going to learn how to do things in the metric units. Okay?